Legislators passed the Interpretation Amendment Act 2014 and the Law Revision Act 2014 as government proceeds with a project to consolidate all the laws of the Virgin Islands. The motions were brought to the House by Attorney General Dr. Christopher Malcolm, who stated that the amendments forms part of a bigger project called the Consolidation of Laws Project.
In every society, including the one in which we live, ignorance of the law is not an excuse for breaking the law. And for this reason, Madam Speaker, it is important that access to the law can be made readily available to every man and woman. Furthermore, Madam Speaker, access, when secured, should mean access to a body of laws that is comprehensive and accurate.
The territory's laws have not been consolidated since 1990. With this in mind, the 2012 Cabinet took the decision to embark on the Consolidation of Laws project. The Attorney General said there have been many amendments to the laws since then, and new legislation have been passed, particularly over the last 10 years and especially related to financial services, noting that it is at times difficult to access various pieces of legislation. Dr. Malcolm told the House of Assembly that consolidating the territory's laws would make them more accessible to the public, and he displayed a disc holding the first volume completed to date.
During 2012, the Cabinet decided that a consolidation and revision of laws project should be undertaken as a matter of urgency. Cabinet also then decided, Madam Speaker, that the project should be completed in phases. And the first phase required completion of an interim edition comprising the financial services laws as well as immigration and passport. Work on this first interim edition, Madam Speaker, has been completed. And indeed, I have here with me a copy of one of the volumes relating to that edition, and in fact also as compact this which comprises all the laws in that particular volume. This effort, Madam Speaker, which is a general revision, it is intended it should be finished sometime in May of next year. And while this first interim edition is completed, we're also working apace relating to a second interim edition relating to the criminal suite of legislations and the Elections Act. And we hope to have that completed within another month or so.
The Interpretation Amendment Act 2014 and the Law Revision Act 2014 were passed with amendments on March 19th. The motions both received bipartisan support from the legislators, both government and opposition members welcoming the initiative to consolidate and update the status of the territory's laws.